nobody. There's some boogie boarders out there.
Pick up on the left.
Just left for me. How you doing, McDonald's? Okay.
Ian K says, meet at door.
Vote for that. Heading to Starbucks.
Right.
Alright, here we go. Up. Let them know I'm coming. I'm on my way.
Turn right.
It's going to Miami.
Turn right on.
How you doing? Stop.
You have a motorcycle?
Uh-huh, yeah. Braxton. Alrighty.
Drinks for him.
How you?
Cross from Burger
Oh, I
King.
didn't hear you. I'm sorry. Say again.
Walked into a bunch of
Here at the beach. Good. All right now. Yes. All right, back off on the run.
Alfred B said.
To a charge. And then, yes. Thanks a lot.
Pick up on the left.
Good stuff. Yes, thanks a lot. Okay.
Turn left on Plantation Road. Make a sharp. New message from Wesley S. Right.
Sometimes I'm on my electric bike and then sometimes I'm on this one.
Ready. Jody.
She said. Awesome. Okay, yes.
Drive off on the right. Then turn right on Ho'okele Street.
All right, thanks a lot. You have a good. Off to the races.
Turn.
How you doing, Subway? There we go. There we go.
Thank you, sir.
Head to your.
Hit it. Let's see. D1398. Both full of flake and tangy. 1550. There you go.